Time flies by, and welcome to the last session of English online tutorial with me, Dr. Risa Mufliarsi, MPD, as your tutor. So this week, you are going to review and create a mind map of the learning materials from session 1 to session 7 as a summary of the Bahasa Inggris course. So if you have any questions about previous topics, so please write them down in the discussion forum. Also, do not forget to submit the assignment 3 if you haven't. Good luck on your final exam, class.